Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust your Volkswagen CC steering wheel. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Then, locate the adjustment lever, typically found directly beneath the steering column. This lever is crucial for unlocking the steering wheel's position. Simply pull it downwards to release the locking mechanism, allowing for free movement. This initial step is quick and easy, setting you up for a comfortable driving experience. Once the lever is down, you can easily tilt the steering wheel up or down. Find a height that provides clear visibility of your instrument cluster, ensuring no gauges are obstructed. Also, consider your arm position. Your arms should have a slight bend at the elbows when holding the wheel. This adjustment helps reduce strain on your shoulders and neck during longer drives, making every journey more enjoyable and safer. After adjusting the tilt, you can also telescope the steering wheel. This means pulling it closer to you or pushing it further away. A key safety guideline is to maintain at least 10 inches between your chest and the steering wheel's airbag. This distance is vital for airbag deployment safety. Adjust the reach so your wrists can comfortably rest on the top of the wheel when your arms are extended, ensuring a relaxed grip. Once you've found your ideal position for both tilt and reach, it's time to lock it in place. Simply push the adjustment lever firmly upwards until it clicks, securing the steering wheel. Give the wheel a gentle tug to ensure it's completely locked and won't move during driving. Finally, sit back and assess your new driving position. Make sure you have full control and feel comfortable, ready for a smooth and safe ride in your Volkswagen CC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.